Me breaking down some double under drills that you can do to start improving your efficiency and start stringing together double unders. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Squared Fitness, the YouTube channel that gives you all the tips, tricks, and movement tutorials so that you can move better as an athlete. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss another video when we put out other tips on other movements. So we're gonna be breaking down the double under today. First thing I want you to think about is the rope height should be just about at your armpits. The more efficient you can get smaller and smaller, but having them about here is the right height for you. And first thing I want you to do is start to visualize what it looks like to be efficient here and how we can get there for you. So if you notice, what it looks like is a good bounding when I'm jumping. So I'm bounding up, I'm not reloading and jumping. So that's actually the first thing I want you to practice doing. Try to get that bounding technique. Use your arms to help you jump up and stay on your toes. Practice that for a little while, get that bounding technique. And then, actually before we jump to the rope too, the next thing I want you to do is get used to being in the air and getting some arm movement. So we're gonna bound and we're gonna tap the arms twice. So we're gonna jump up, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. Just to start to replicate the speed that's going to be needed for your arms. Then we can start to string together a few of those. As you get fatigued, record yourself because you're going to see that you're going to start tapping on the way down, something like this. And you'll start to get tired and tapping on the way down. I want you to tap on the way up. Master these things first before you start getting frustrated and trying to do something like this. Right? I want you to get used to jumping up, getting vertical, having fast arms, and then we can string it. So I want you to go here. Let's try to go singles and then practice that big bound. Up and freeze. Singles, up, and then freeze. Then we can go singles, up, single, 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 up. Making it look smooth because the efficiency is there. I want to break down just another thing or two. The arm speed, I'm not trying to really snap down the rope. I know you know what I'm talking about. Look at this. You're trying too hard. Just get vertical, snap your wrist, get that efficiency, and then gradually just reduce the amount of time in between your singles. Build on the foundations first. Set yourself up for success by doing the singles in the double. Reduce the reps. Build on the success. We'll see you in the next one. Comment down below if you have any other questions, and keep training hard.